Hi, friend. Well, today is the Lord's Day. As a Christian, I always go to the church. So I schedule a little trip. So take my daughter to the church for experience the God's word. Well, in my family, that's the one person. That's me. It's a Christian. So it's okay. I want to everyone in my family to trust in God. So let's get started. Come here. 过来，过来，过来，过来，过来，过来，过来。
不吃可亲抽他。
My camera to see the Chinese church. What is look like? It will take around 8 minutes to go to the church. Ah, 其实这还是你拿着了拍，好像有点抖，有点抖。摄像头好像是抖，其实你在拍，你得拿。
我这方面拍啊？
没，就你拿着你在拍可以，你可以吗？
那怎么？
看下会不会它好像很抖，你看。是的啊，是的。哎，可能就某个抖，好吗？What? That's the Chinese market. 那个是看你要爬过我哈，你先下来，我就再爬我们的下来哈。Well, we are arrived at the church. This church was established in 2020. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? In China, there's the strict party to trust in God. Especially in the rural countryside. The church is always not allowed to go to the church. But this time, I got some of the risk, yeah, to take my daughters to the church. Yeah, so let's get into. Well, this the church is from it has a long story since the 1927. That's the pastor from the Finland. He had a Chinese name, Mr. Lee. He take the gospel to this hometown. Yeah. But during that time, he learned some of the land to establish the church. Yeah. And this church is established. So that's some of the others. Here's a kitchen. That is the China traditional kitchen. It's the church's the restaurant. That word means love. In Chinese, "ai" means love. time to receive the Holy Communion. Amen. Here's the goddess, just the bread. We are joining it together. Amen. When God bless the brothers and sisters and modified the God is the breastplate. God is the light and leading us. Bless your bless to us. Amen. Whatever the in home and in outside, God will bless us. No, not this the God is the blessed to all. Amen. Amen. What God to you?